I just got the call from my buddy Matt. He's stuck on the side of the road with a tire with a big giant piece of metal in it and needs some help. He was going to call Tesla service, but as you can see, I have everything right here. I'm headed that way now in the Cybertruck for a rescue mission of a Model 3. Yes, I'm on a mission to get Matt's tire fixed. Now, Tesla's got a really good roadside service thing. You go right on your app, you indicate that you have a flat, and they will dispatch the appropriate people and or equipment to solve your problem. It is, however, Thursday afternoon. It's 6:30 p.m. I would imagine that the wait time could be hours. Matt's been really busy at work and his schedule is strapped, and he called me to let me know he's got a flat. Well, I threw in the truck all the necessary repair stuff. I have one of my autocross tires. It's 235/45/18. While it's a high performance tire, it's certainly good for a temporary tire.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto East Rutherford Street.
It's certainly good for a temporary tire to get him around until he can get his other tire replaced. Sent me a picture, and as you can see it here now, it's a pretty nasty piece of metal. Till I get there, we'll see if we can pull it out. If not,
now turn right onto East Rutherford Street.
I'll certainly get it done. Anyway, I'm on the way. It's about an hour down there, and we're trying to get into traffic here. Let's see. Wow, all these people. Everybody's going home or something around here. I don't know. Something. Anyway, we are on Highway 14. Good old Highway 14, and I'm in the town of Landrum, headed south. He got a flat way in south of Greenville, and while it's only 6:30, it's a lot of traffic, so I'm going to take surface streets. I think my chance of getting there quicker is probably that way. It's a direct route here, Highway 14. It should be pretty good. I'll keep you posted as we go along here. Fortunately, it's summertime. The light is going to be with us until I get there, so we should be good. So, was ist los?
Oh, damaged tire.
All right, well, let's see, we can do this. Oh, look at that. That'd take you several hours to get that to Tesla. They'd probably want to tow you because they probably wouldn't fix it. Well, that's good. We did the right thing.
See it here?
Did you lose your cap or did you take it off? Oh, you did. Okay.
Oh, here it is.
All right.
Inside.
All right. Well, this is just like rotating our tires, so
oh, yeah.
We'll do that.
Just not in the garage.
Just not in the garage.
Thank you for coming down.
Oh, anytime. It's tight. I tried to keep that thing from smashing the world. See, Matt knows how to rotate his tires, so this is yet just another tire rotation. You got to tighten it up. There you go. There we go. I think it was down further.
It is flat.
Oh, is it ever? Yeah, so when you got the right tools, this job is pretty darn easy. All right. Yeah, just make sure it's tight clockwise. Yeah. All right, look at that. I even brought him a little rolly round chair like we're used to replacing our tire. Oh, wait, I even have the little container, but that's okay. It's in the truck. It's a little tray you throw your stuff in. Oh, yeah. So all the tire I had was my autocross tire.
Okay.
So that means you're going to have to go extremely fast then and really stick as you go around the corner.
So it's not driving slow, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll get that done tomorrow.
But it's exact same tire size, so you should be fine. You just get a tire replaced or repaired whenever you get around to it.
is it?
Oh, you're getting there. There you go. Oh, here.
Thanks.
I was going to bring you a whole set of my autocross tires, and then you'd really fly around the
Oh,
corners.
yeah.
But
I'm not to stop anymore.
these are one of my very first autocross tires. (130 foot-pounds).
Yeah. You got your back to German.
I know. Actually, it's 129, but 129.
I think that's good.
That's close enough.
You have to lose it anyway.
Yeah, that's correct.
So now we have to put it down.
Yeah, I'll drop it down just a little, get some pressure. You know the story. There you go.
Get some spider webs.
Yeah, well, see, that's what happens. We lost our autocross track, so
All right.
that sucks. Yeah, you'd probably tighten them up a little more. Nope, there you go.
All right.
Okay, good deal. You're on, and that's in 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nice.
All right, Matt, how about that? 5-minute tire replacement.
That's good.
You should be good. I don't need the tire back. We'll get together sometime, and I'll get it back when you're
Thanks
done.
for coming down here.
Anytime. Glad I could help. See, you're making all the Social Security. I got to keep you in business. All right, thanks, buddy boy. We'll see you later. Take care. Okay. All right, we are done. Let's get out of here. Head home. It's going to take us back on Interstate 85. We're trying to get through all this traffic here on Woodruff Road. Woodruff Road's one of those roads that's a main artery here in Greenville. Shopping everywhere up and down this road. And I gotta say, it's busy. We're just trying to get out of here. We'll get the light here soon. Get out of here. We're taking Interstate 85 to the northeast, getting off in a half a mile on to Highway 14. Yeah, Highway 14 comes all the way down here to 85. We'll go through the city of Greer on the way north, and that'll take us all the way back home. It's one of those weird intersections that's been flipped over. So instead of going on the right and around, you go the opposite way. It's kind of a clockwise, oblong roundabout. Works well, though. Starting to get dark now. Lights are on. Gotta keep your eye open for critters, especially now. Looks like I've got, what's that say, 12 miles to go. Yeah, it was a good thing. You know, Tesla service is really top notch, but sometimes they'll want to tow the car to a tire place, and being at like 7 o'clock on a Thursday, they might not have been open. He may have had to leave his car and those kinds of things. But I don't know about you, but I had a tire from my autocross days, and I had to beep at a dog, run across the road there. Anyway, this way I can just use one of my autocross tires, keep him going. He has, what was it, something tires that has tire protection. So he's going to take it down there tomorrow and get it swapped out. So all is good.